Here's the app called Glam AI Video and Photo Editor. So as you can see, it's climbed into the charts in the US App Store. So yeah, quite a cool app, which helps you to go viral. And it helps with all kinds of social media content and AI. So it's not just photos, it's also reels, vertical videos, GIFs, all kind of AI magic you can apply, 200 plus filters and effects to bring your photo and video content, multiple AI styles, anime, cartoon, fire, much more. Create with one tap, multi-results. You can create 50 plus trendy and aesthetic photo edits, video digital closes, share it and go viral. So yes, this is the app. You just create your account. This is how it looks like. So it really has a massive template library. So really a lot of styles. I haven't seen any other app which has all of this, So for example, AI selfie, and you just have it like that. And it creates kind of like moving live photo selfie. And then you need to upload a selfie, and yeah, each of these is just worth coins. So you need at least 100 coins to get started, or you can just upgrade. If you upgrade, you can so weekly $8 per week. So you can also then select $120 per year. Yearly Pro $50 per year, which is quite good, and then weekly Pro it's $8 per week. So and then you just unlocking everything, and also you need coins. If you select subscription, you need 100 free coins daily. You will get 100 free coins daily. So that's just what it is. And so yeah, you just have all of these different styles, really cool. You have AI videos, AI photos just for women, kids fashion show. There are some discounts, there are some nice styles, musicians, so all kinds of like vertical gifs and like vertical moving photos and videos which you can create. Then there's like a feed of users, what users created in here, which you can just see. And then yeah, you can just tap plus, and then create your photo from here. So yeah, you can just start creating. So for example, if you select camera, so then yeah, you can just start creating with that. And yeah, some of the styles require just pro subscription, other styles just require you to have coins. So that's just what you have.